Hi, it's Hillary with Lazy Lima DIY. You haven't seen me for a while. A lot's been going on. I was sick for like a month. We had to put our dog down this week. I started a new business and yeah, general mayhem, chaos, and disorder. And plus, I'm in a bad mood. So, what other time to make a video for y'all is when I'm really grumpy and super salty. So if you're on high blood pressure meds, you might want to just adjust because I don't want you stroking out on me. So I don't have a project today, uh, but I just wanted to give you an explanation. Oh, and another thing. So you see these? This is, a mouse, and this is a keyboard, and that's all very nice because they, help you compute. However, when this is your computer, oh, here we go. This shouldn't be. What the heck? And they take batteries. Super salty. Really pissed, Apple. Really pissed because I took it into the Apple store and they said, "Oh yeah, we can fix that because there's an issue with the keyboard with the 2015 MacBook Pros." And they know this, but they're still going to charge me $475 to fix it, which I don't have right now. My clothes are falling off. What the heck? Anyway, I just wanted to do a short video to talk about what project we were going to do next time. I was going to film this tonight, but super angry, super salty, don't feel like it. Screw it. But I was learning about like all these different size things like ATCs and all the, inchies, wrenchies, whatever. Just make it up. Triangles, paragrammalleles or paralleles. I don't know, whatever. Sorry, and there's going to be no video editing, so you're just going to have to see that because the keyboard and everything and the mouse don't really make my computer work at optimal levels because it doesn't like capital letters, and every about 5 minutes it just decides I have to shut the keyboard and the mouse off and then restart them. But anyway, onto the project that's going to be shown. I started making these ATCs, which are not artist trading cards. They're artist trading coins because they're round. Yeah, and as an indication of my mood, I don't know if you can see this. Can you see a little cup? And it says, "This is my cup of care." Oh, look, it's empty. Yeah, that's how I'm feeling right now. Really empty. My room is a mess. I don't even care. I got like half lipstick on. I don't care. Screw it. Whatever. So, yeah. We'll talk more about that later, but I did want to tell you that I did not forget about Lazy Lima DIY. I love Lazy Lima DIY. However, it is not loving me right at the moment. So there was a lot of stuff going into starting a business, and it just got away from me. And I was sick, and I'm still recovering, and I'm sleeping a lot, like 10, 12 hours, and it just wasn't giving me enough time in the day and enough energy. So, yeah. So we're at what? I'm doing good. I wanted to do 5 minutes. Anyway, please forgive my absence, and I'm prone to it. Yeah, I am who I am, so I can make no apologies for me being who I am. And you should not make apologies for you being who you are either. People don't like it, screw them. They don't have to watch your YouTube channel. They can bounce on to somebody else who's perky, because I ain't perky right now. So, God, that was like a dissertation on my mental well-being right now. Whatever, don't care. Anyway, so tune in. Hopefully I will have my little, what do I call these again? Oh yeah, ATCs, artist trading coins. Hopefully I'll have that video up tomorrow because these are super quick. And since I can't edit, and I have like, I think 5 videos sitting on my camera, not on my camera, on my phone, waiting for when I can edit. But I have to do down and dirty. Just some projects, until I get this fixed, some projects may be what's the word? Just in installments, because the editing is just taking a really long time. So until next time, and when we're looking at artist trading coins, toodles. And if you want to subscribe, subscribe. If you don't, you don't have to. Nobody's going to die if you don't subscribe. So it's okay. And if you do subscribe, you might want to click the notification button that tells you when the blue moon is that I have a new video up. Okay? All right.